Still part of my post-restoration steam up day is my Jowett poppet valve, the Jowett Major. This is a number 24. This is my biggest steam engine. Look at the size of that piston in there. It's bigger than anything else I've got. It's huge, absolutely huge. And I've never been able to run it on steam because even though I've got a decent size Stuart Turner boiler, it won't run this. But it does run on air. So when I got it, it'd been a display cabinet queen. So someone had built it, they hadn't timed it up, and they just put it on the shelf. So when I got it, I couldn't get it running first of all. I had to adjust the timing of the valves, but now it runs lovely. So let's give it a go. You have to get the pressure up. A bit more. A bit more. I have to run them all now and again because this is if I don't run it, it will just seize up. It was really stiff when I got it. It's not run in yet, but this is a beauty as well. Whenever I do a video of this, it always gets a lot of views, and it's a lovely machine. Look. Kick the compressor in. Well, I was saying it does use a bit of air, but the compressor was probably a bit low, and the compressor is noisy. So if the compressor kicks in, I have to switch the camera off. But yeah, I was saying, when I got this, it was a wardrobe queen, or display cabinet queen. So look at the size of that piston. I think that's about 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches. It's much bigger than anything else I've got. And so I've got a Stuart Turner boiler, but it won't run this. But yeah, it was stiff. Even when I first got it, I could turn the pressure right up and it wouldn't move it. But I finally got it going, and then what I do is just run it for 20 minutes at a time like this. Oil, probably need a bit of oil in here. Put a little bit of oil in all them. Keep it oiled. When I finish with it, I always spray it with WD-40 because the flywheel just gets a light coat of rust on it quite quickly. But nicely made. It's got a lovely governor. Flywheel governor. I'm going to slow it down. They do two of these. They do a Jowett Major and a Jowett Minor. And this is the bigger one of the two. There's very few of them about. I haven't never seen one for sale. I've seen a few of the minors for sale, and they're nice little machines as well. But they're the same thing, single cylinder poppet valve, but they're just about a third smaller. But I've seen a few majors, but not for sale, but I've never seen one with a governor. Never seen another one with a governor fitted. So yeah, this is a lovely machine. We'll look after this. It's quite powerful. I imagine it's quite powerful with that size piston. Got a drain tap there for condensation takeoff. So they've not skimped. Got the two cams there. Opening the valves. And the big giant piston, Conrod. I mean, look at that. Don't get Conrods that big in the 50cc motorbike. Bloody hell. Anyway. Yeah, so that's what I do at the end of the day. I just fire a couple of machines up because they're only running for 10 minutes at a time. But when I've put this away, it won't be hot because this obviously it's only running on steam, but I still have to oil it. This is the exhaust. I'll cover it in WD-40 and then fire it up again in a few weeks' time. But if I keep them fired up, the bores stay clean and everything's, you know, after all it's a machine, it's made to be running. I think with some of it, I mean, I remember having old motorbikes and some of them run better when they've been running for quite a time and they're settled in. Everything's, you know, all the bearings have got to their where they're supposed to be, not tight anymore. Anyway, I'm going to put this away and see what else I can play with, but yeah, I don't like them sitting around doing nothing, so I have to fire them up. I mean, it will go, this one. Give it too much here, that compressor is kicking in again. Anyway, I hope you like that one, guys. I'll leave it for now, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers.